Hey guys, Shane here, and today I'll be reviewing the Magic Wings gaming keyboard that I do have in front of me at the moment, and I will show you it now. So let's jump into this video. This is a picture of it when it does not have any colours on. It's not plugged in at the moment. So I've got all this stuff plugged in. Lumber Tycoon 2, and yeah, so in a second I will show you what it looks like to be turned on. As you can see, you've got all that. You don't know that, but that says Magic Wings, and I will show you their logo on the back. There it is. So yeah, I'm going to plug it in now. So I will see you back then. Okay, so we've got it plugged in. At the start, it is a nice lava red colour. As you can see, it's got all different free features to put in. Like so. And as you can see up there, I will press caps lock. That will light up the colour. And chuck num lock on. What's this? Hold on. Oh yeah. So that's a lot. It's a lot of keys. Okay, so let's go on to the next colour. Okay, so now we have a nice blue, which is, oh, by the way, the Lava Red 16 brightness, and this is a 66 brightness blue. So yeah, as you can see, it's the exact same thing, but just in a different colour. Up there, it's still blue. So yeah, we've still got all those lightning bolt lines. I prefer this colour usually. So yeah, let's jump into the next colour. Okay, so now we have a purple 98 brightness, and it looks like bright pinky colour on here, but it's actually a bright purple colour. And yeah, so that's actually it. See, we've got all them keys all lit up, lightning bolt lines. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.